AirPods 4 Review. Apple's game changer or just hype?
Hey tech lovers, today we're diving into the brand new AirPods 4. Are they worth the hype? Let's find out. First up, what's new compared to the AirPods 3? The AirPods 4 bring enhanced sound quality, improved ANC, and a sleeker design. Speaking of design, these AirPods are more comfortable than ever. They fit snugly without any discomfort, even during long listening sessions. Now, let's talk sound. The audio is crisp, and the active noise cancellation is top-notch, making it perfect for immersive listening. Battery life? Impressive. You get up to 6 hours on a single charge, and the case provides multiple recharges on the go. Special features include adaptive audio, Find My integration, and intuitive gesture controls that make using them a breeze. In real-world use, they excel in calls, workouts, and travel, offering a seamless experience no matter the situation. How do they stack up against the competition? Compared to Galaxy Buds and Sony's offerings, AirPods 4 hold their own with unique Apple features. So, who are these for? If you're an Apple user looking for top-tier earbuds, these are worth the upgrade. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.